Hello friends, Namaste. This is a book review video and today we are going to do review of the book called Zen, The Art of Simple Living. The book falls under the genre of self-help and the author of the book is Sir Shumio Masuno, who is a Japanese monk. The video is divided in 5 parts. Number 1, intro. Number 2, what it is about. Number 3, how it can help you. Number 4, my experience reading it, and the final one, the ratings. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The book is filled with the wisdom of Zen and it comes from the expert himself, Sir Shumio Masuno. Like how I said earlier, he's a Japanese monk. What technically Zen means is that it is a slang for feeling peaceful and relaxed. The book delves on various lifestyle of Zenism and how it can upgrade your living standards with both mentally and physically. The book delves in our basic life routines of things we normally do and how if we make a simple change in it with focus and peace, we can completely transform ourselves to seek more inner satisfaction. So there are various chapters in the book and each chapter talks about different routines we follow and how we can change them for better good. Let me give you an example of chapter 1, which is called Ways to Energize Your Present Self. And now there are more than 10 various pointers they are talking about, but let me give you an example of 5. So one is make time for emptiness, which is very important. Second, wake up 15 minutes earlier, which I started practicing recently. Third, savior of the morning air, which I am having right now. Fourth, sit zazen, something which I am going to practice after. And the fifth one is become adept at switching roles. So it focuses on all these pointers which can help you throughout the lifetime. The book introduces us to a whole new different pattern of living, how we can convert our daily routines to with art of self-satisfaction. And this is something which I believe we all need, because somewhere or another we all are tired of following the same daily routine, same daily task, and due to it maybe we are not able to give quality efforts towards whatever we do. So for that very purpose we require this book. It teaches you about whatever we do, we can do it with the art of self-satisfaction. No matter how much boring it is, we can still do it with joy. And second thing I want to highlight is that the book even puts light on how we can improve our standards of living and how we can find peace and happiness. Not with the connection of material things like you watch your favorite movie, you go to some of your favorite malls, you become happy. No, I'm talking about finding true soul happiness which comes from within us. The moment I saw the book, I fell in love with it. I mean, come on, just look at the cover of the book. It is so simple but yet so artful also. And the book, it is very decorative even from the inside. For example, just look at all the pages and even all the images, they are so inspiring. And talking about the content of the book, I was able to grab as much knowledge with very minimum amount of reading compared to many other books I read. We have to read a lot. Sometimes it takes days or even hours to understand one chapter, but with this book it's quick reading and you grab all the wisdom it offers. So my experience, it was more than amazing, and the book has kind of built a zest in me to read more about Zennism further. So I rate this book 10 out of 10 merely because of the knowledge it offers, and the knowledge is first hand, not second hand. What I technically mean from this term, it is not second hand, is that many of the books which I've read and which are available in the market, the knowledge it offers, it is something which we've read before or listened, but what this book has to offer, it is something very rare. And I am sure if you implement all the disciplines taught in the book, then you will be able to live your life with the art of self satisfaction. And I am someone who doesn't prefer to read a single book multiple times, but this book I'll be reading it further just to keep myself aware of what I have learned from it. Also, I would like to add is that since the book introduces us to the glimpse of Zenism, we must do more research about it, as it's going to help us only eventually. So this was it with the review video. Do let me know if you are going to read the book or if you have read already. Thank you.